Tuesday Talk, the first of 4 when it comes to house wiring. 4-step process. The first 3 videos are going to be about the 3 different categories. We categorize your house when it comes to wiring. And then the last one, we just bring it back full circle. Everything has to line up in order to make sense, correct? We have 3 categories when it comes to house wiring that we've created, so to say. Pre-wired, semi-wired, and we like to call home run. So, first on the list, pre-wired. Pre-wired houses, you have what's called a media panel. And from there is where all your wires will run to the rest of your house. Now, you can find this media panel in a hall closet, coat closet, bedroom closet, or a kitchen pantry. There's a lot of different places it could be. We didn't make the rules, it's just where we've seen it. And also, it's called a pre-wired because it was built into the house when it was built. This is the first of 4 of Tech Tuesday Talk, special edition, house wiring. First of 4, we're going to go through the process, and like I said, it's going to come back full circle as to why you need to know all 4 of these categories. Well, 3 categories, and then 1, you just bring it back home.